Hey Nash, what should we make?
I saw this recipe online for savory puff pastry Christmas tree appetizers. It looked festive and delicious. Let's try making those.
All right, let's make savory puff pastry Christmas tree appetizers. Today, we're making another thing you could serve. This one is kind of uniquely just for holiday type parties. We're making savory puff pastry Christmas tree appetizers. They're gonna be really good, kind of some cheese, some meat, some puff pastry, all put together. Looks like a little Christmas tree. It's fun, why not? And it's gonna be delicious, something you could, like I said, you could bring to a holiday party, serve at your own holiday party, whatever you wanna do, or just make them for yourself and eat them all. You know, it is what it is. So hey, without further ado, let's go. So first thing is to take out a sheet of puff pastry. And we just want to roll this out just to kind of make it a little thinner, but also mostly just to smooth it out. No, don't break. No breaking. All right, so with your sheet of puff pastry, we're just gonna go ahead and, this is whipped cream cheese. I felt like this would spread a lot better than regular cream cheese, and I am very happy I chose this. So you could use regular cream cheese, but if you want a better experience, I would use whipped cream cheese because it seems to work a lot better. I guess try to get as even a coat as possible. I'll be honest, I chose this recipe because it looked cool. I don't know how it's gonna work. We're gonna find out together. All right, so once you have a kind of even layer of cream cheese, then we take some salami, or you know what, use your favorite sort of cured deli meat and just put a layer across the whole thing. Okay, so there we go. Now we need to cut this into strips, and I'm thinking to cut this into strips, our best tool is this pizza cutter. All right. So then we got each little strip. So then we do this. Okay, so right there, that's our little deal. Okay, I can deal with that. Okay, maybe we just sort of, there we go. So, you know, oh, so either way, we do this. We put a little skewer through the center, then we try to spread it out a little bit. Okay, it's not the worst. It's not as pretty as I want it to be, but whatever. But this puff pastry is gonna spread out a little bit, so let's sort of tuck you underneath here. All right, so that could be like a little Christmas tree, right? And then we do the same thing with this guy. I'm learning as we go here, folks. Well, folks, this is kind of a big mess, but hopefully it'll look pretty. So there is our little Christmas trees. So now we're just, I know they're not perfect. Hey, I did my best, people. Decorating shit's not my thing, but I thought they looked cool. Anyways, so now we are going to bake these for 15 minutes and hope they turn out. So here's our little Christmas trees. Some of them look better than others, you know. Thought they would look prettier, but like this one looks good. I feel like this one, this one's my favorite. So, got these. They're almost ready to serve. It's like 2 more little steps. All right, so we got a little Christmas tree here. Like I said, 2 more little steps. So, first thing we do is take a little cheese block here. Whoops. Well, that didn't work. Can we make it back? Can we make it work? All right. So we got the little cheddar for the base of the tree. And then take some green olives. Green olives, these are stuffed with blue cheese. Just throw one of these on top. And except for the broken cheese, you know. Hey, looks kind of pretty, right? And there we have our beautiful little savory puff pastry Christmas tree appetizer. Time for a bite. Cheers. Yeah, the skewer didn't quite make the same amount of noise as like a fork or a spoon. But hey, super good. Actually, I hadn't even really thought about how it would taste. I just thought it looked cool. But then I was kind of starting to wonder like, hey, is this going to taste good? It's actually really, really good. You know, you got the bite and the richness from the salami. You got the creaminess from the cheese. And then you got the kind of pillowy, crispy, delicious butteriness from the puff pastry. It's actually really good. And they look kind of cool. You got a little Christmas tree. You got the little cheese base and the olive olive top. So, hey, I'm going to go ahead and say 9 out of 10. I would definitely recommend. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey, bud. How you doing? Well, check it out. We got this little, well, a piece of the little Christmas tree salami thing you wanted. Oh, you jumped right for that. You were pretty excited about that one, huh? Well, hey, what'd you think?
That is pretty dang good. Definitely tastes better than a real Christmas tree.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
A ship in the harbor is safe, but that's not what a ship is for.
Look, I wasn't sure what to expect, but hey, it's a good dish. Nash approves. I approve. Yeah, like I said, 9 out of 10. I would definitely recommend. It's cool. It looks like a Christmas tree. It tastes delicious. So yeah, give it a try. It's actually pretty easy to make, so highly recommend. Give it a try. Hey, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, it would mean a lot. Help us out. We'd appreciate that. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments, or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com, and send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Happy holidays. Until next time, peace.